In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fields required in Adobe Sign. Making a field required ensures your recipients can't finish signing until they complete the information you need. I'll walk you through two straightforward ways to do this, plus a few keynotes so your workflow is smooth and predictable. Let's start inside Adobe Acrobat Sign. From your dashboard, choose Send or Request Signatures and upload your document. Before you proceed, make sure Preview and Add Fields is checked so you can edit the form layout. Click Next to open the document editor. Now click the field you want to make required. This can be a text box, checkbox, date, or any other field you've added. On the right side, you'll see the Properties panel for that field. Turn on the Required option. That's the switch that enforces completion. When you're done configuring your fields, click Save or Send. From this point on, the signer won't be able to finish the agreement until that required field is filled out correctly. This is especially helpful for critical data like dates, full names, or acknowledgement checkboxes. If you prefer to prepare the form in Adobe Acrobat before sending it through Acrobat Sign, you can set fields as required there as well. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and go to Tools, then Prepare Form. Add the fields you need, such as an e-signature field or any form element relevant to your document. Double-click the field you want to edit to open its properties. In the Properties dialog, check the box labeled Required. Save the document when you're finished. By marking it required at the Acrobat stage, you ensure the signing process cannot be completed unless that field contains data once it's sent through Acrobat Sign. A few important notes to keep in mind. Signature and initials fields in Acrobat Sign are required by default unless you choose to change them, so you usually don't need to mark those manually. Required fields are typically indicated with a red asterisk next to the field label, which helps signers quickly identify what they must complete. And every signer must have at least one required signature field. If a document doesn't include one, Acrobat Sign will automatically add a signature block to make sure the agreement can be finalized properly. That's all there is to it. Use the document editor in Acrobat Sign or the Prepare Form tools in Acrobat to mark your essential fields as required, and you'll get cleaner, more complete agreements every time.